Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all doing well. So today in this video we'll compare the Galaxy S26 Ultra with the Galaxy S24 Ultra after the OneUi 8.5 update. Both the phones are on the latest OneUi 8.5 update with the May 5th 2026 security patch level. So there are a lot of similarities after the OneUi 8.5 update, but there are some missing features as well, so we will talk about them in the end. First of all, let's talk about the similarities. So first up, both the phones are running on the latest OneUi 8.5 update with the Android 16. If you talk about the animations of opening and closing of the apps, so that is in front of you. Both the phones are a lot smoother with the OneUi 8.5 update, and there is no as such difference at all. Also, we get to see this jiggle effect with the OneUi 8.5 update, and it is available in both the phones. If you talk about the control panel customizations, so both the phones have this control panel customization options available. This was first introduced with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, but now with the latest update, it is available on the S24 as well. Further, if you talk about the photo assist features and the animation, so as you can see, both the features and the animations are similar in both the phones. If you talk about the UI changes, so there is no as such difference between them after the latest OneUi 8.5 update. The only difference that I feel is because of the square design and the curved design. Rest you will get to see that there is no as such difference available in the UI. You also get to see the now brief option in the Galaxy S24 Ultra as well. I don't feel any changes in the now brief in both the phones after the new update. And you get to see this audio eraser option as well in both the phones. Using this audio eraser option, you can remove the unwanted voice from the background. And similarly, almost all the call assistant features are available in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now, if we talk about the features that are not available after the update, so first up, there is this scanning option that is missing on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Using this, you can scan any document on your Galaxy phone. As you guys can see, this option is missing on the S24 Ultra that you will see on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, this scan option over here. Using this scan option, you can convert any document with a text on it. Next up, in the camera assistant from the Good Lock, there is this option of 24 MP resolution of photos in the photo mode, which is not available on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and it is available on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. So these were some of the features that I have discovered that are not available on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let me know in the comment section that which other features are missing out on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Also, let me know in the comments that is it worth upgrading to the Galaxy S26 Ultra or not, and are you upgrading from the Galaxy S24 to the S26 or not. In my opinion, the Galaxy S24 Ultra still holds very well. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.